be so assuming that another time.
First line. Okay, now this side is going to go. What is your name?
This is Yahoo Boys. We went for ritualists before they caught them arrested.
Why you take delete that thing? Delete that thing before you start to give false information. Why you go here now? So false information when they're not. Delete that thing. Yes.
So I said, if you make it call the man for me, they can't call the man. So I still can't call the man. They give me phone. The man say, if I want making do prayer for me, say I will pay him 10,000 naira.
Yes.
I can't ask the caretaker, say the man they legit.
Yes.
So I can't do the transfer for him. So when I do the transfer for him, he say by 4 o'clock, send the call us.
Yes.
You go follow come. I tell him okay, sir. That 4 o'clock come reach. He no call me again. When I call him, he no pick call.
Yes.
So the caretaker, I can't call the caretaker. The caretaker just tell me say, yeah, make I say he go call me. I tell him okay, sir. So when that was on Sunday. That happened on Sunday. So towards on Sunday evening, when I come back to the house, out of annoyance, I come to say you don't come and I say why you go do me this kind of thing. So you say you did when the man tell me say
wait,
me and you follow come.
Is it for ritual purpose
No,
or
sir.
you want to bury your mother?
Sir, it's not a ritual purpose, sir.
Why you what are you doing with casket?
Yes, sir. It is when after
Forget it. What are you doing with casket?
sir, he was the one that instructed me.
Who?
The Afa. That the caretaker gave me the number. He said,
Caretaker gave you the number.
Yes, sir.
Which caretaker?
Mr. Chinos.
In your house?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So he said, when either I beg the person to set the casket or I pay him. At last I said, I don't have money. He said, no, be say, I want you to donate to say, make I can go my house. If not like today, make I go them touch my house. That's inside my room, outside. Then the next day, make I go keep him back there, or make I throw him. At last, what for? He said, now what I go do?
To tell if you want to take get waiting.
He said,
To get money.
He said, my way could open now. Now, you stop. Because I said, assistant they do work, assistant they pay for me. Because now that money I sent for them, I don't even go see them.
How much you sent?
I'll be sent give 50,000 naira.
50,000.
Plus that 10,000 naira.
Where they are father?
Now Pasaba.
You know him if you see him.
Yes, sir. If they live for that our caretaker at the house. Yes, so then when I go carry the 10, so I come to this man and say, this thing where this man say me can do now. If I go carry am go now, people go say, this boy they do ritual. Say I don't know how to take this thing. I do from this town. What can I go do?
Where are you from?
So I'm from Abia, sir. But I'm staying here. I'm doing business here.
But I didn't take casket. What do you know say me?
Sir, casket I wish me carry 100%. Understand? So I still continue that thing. I think
Why you can't do am?
Sir, I don't even carry him into my house. Now, sir, just go carry him.
How much you buy this casket?
I gave him 15,000 naira. So I thought I say,
You return her back.
yes, I thought I return back to them. The body said, what did you just them? Nah, 25,000 naira. I thought okay. Say make him well. Say highest before weekend. Say I feel balance and back.
Who will be the next man will follow you?
Now my friend.
Now 12 when I go the place together.
Yes, now me and follow go the casket place. So when I can reach close to our compound side, I don't reach our compound. So I did there, but I say I passed.
You go sleep for inside this cassette.
No sir.
Who go sleep for inside?
He said make I carry him touch for my inside my room. Like if not today, so make I touch him. Then the next day, so make I go to them, make I this time 21. And about 3 o'clock. I told him okay sir. So then
where the caretaker now?
Sir, now him wait now the story I want to tell you now. So when we reach there,
where in there now?
Sir, now when this alarm comes now, I know situation again. So when they affair come there,
tell you make it not the stop. Maybe we can't listen come up for them.
no sir, not continue. So when I come to the thing, reach close to the house, I can't stop the bike. I can't say if people see this thing now, they go to say na something else. You can't see me there say Bishop. I okay, you can say who they there. I come for that bike. He tell me say Bishop, I tell say caretaker na me. Because I say me and be correct. That time when in first me go, just go meet the man after send the money. He say he go do with you.
Where the landlord now?
The caretaker. I got no so. So he tell me say he go deal with me. Then after I say bro, you know go feed me later. Say I know insult you. Now my money where at the fight for. Why you go back, go carry the same? Where we say he say me and you go follow come. So when I can't finish. So as he comes to me this evening, he said he tell me say Bishop, open this gasket.
So one Galadi one like clap hand for this town. And so one begin to talk with Galadi brutality.
Sir?
Like say one clap hand for no, not do that. Clap hand for Galadi.
So he tell me say Bishop make I
On
open.
Facebook they talk. Galadi talk brutality. When they clap hand for
Yeah,
them.
it's from Asaba.
It's from Asaba.
What you saying here?
He dey live for where?
Yeah, for where? We are living in same compound.
Come.
So he said Bishop, say make I open this.
No wahala.
Say person
Don't do.
inside this.
Aja.
Say person inside this gasket. After I said nobody there inside.